Hello lovely gamers, welcome back to a Hearthstone video. As you might already know, it is Year of the Dragon in Hearthstone. So it's pretty exciting to come into the new year of Hearthstone. And so now a lot of the cards have changed. Cards have gone into wild now. And there's a different standard for standard decks, as you can see here. Game's just taking through all of the different steps that have changed, and this is a Hall of Fame, talking about how some cards have gone to wild and so forth. So these cards have been moved to wild. That's a really cool gift that they give you for having some of the cards. So obviously I didn't have a deck in standard anymore, and I was just looking around and having a feel at the rest of what was been happening. I also received a cool card back for logging in on an iPhone iOS, I should say. And you get a legendary. Welcome to the Lovely Photos and happy garden. Some cool little treats. So just gonna open up the packs that I got. I was just checking on my arena. I didn't get to finish it, obviously, but they give you a ticket for a new game. So I thought I'd just jump into a new game. So Shaman's not my strongest suit, but I like to challenge myself from time to time, which is always good to do. Well, I finished that deck, and I guess I'm just going to feel like this is more of a warm-up than anything, because I hadn't played for a little bit. I'll just let you guys watch the game. I was thinking about commenting on different things, but I think I'd rather do it while I'm in the game. I need to figure out, because I record most things on my phone. I want to record how to get my, because I also don't have like equipment or anything, so I want to figure out how to record my voice as I'm playing for it to kind of be better than me just doing a voiceover over the game I've already done, because it's kind of like, you know, it's already done and I already thought what I did, and just, you know, if I do something wrong, just know that I was pissed about it. Alright.
Done. Job done.
Things don't always turn out how you want them to. Oh well, on to the next game. I'm going to be playing a few games with my partner. He's pretty good, I gotta give him that. And I'm not just saying that because I like him.
Medivh versus Liadrin. My blade burns with holy fire.
Let the games begin.
As much as I would like to talk through this game as well, I'll just let you watch it. Okay.
Accidents.
Well, surprise, surprise, he won. Maybe I can beat him in the next one?
My blade burns with holy fire.
Let the games begin.
Guess there's only one way to find out.
Are you my master?
Yeah, I lost again. I'm not really too fussed with it showing episodes of me just brutally losing. I promise I do win sometimes. Okay. Thank you, lovelies, for watching. Bye.